Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is POCO X7 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to change icon size on this device. Alright, so firstly, to do this we have to hold on our wallpaper like this, and right here in the right bottom corner we have to open settings. Here we have to click on more, and only way to change icon size is changing layout of the icons. And as you can see, on this layout the icons are smaller and right here are bigger. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.